All right, in this video we're not in the shop. As you can see, we're in the lake. I came to a different lake today thinking it would be less busy, but being as it's Labor Day weekend, it's really busy. So I found a small spot that isn't, and so I could throw my anchor in. Got my bimini top up, and we're just gonna hang out here for a minute. I've been on the water for like an hour, just getting beat up by all the wakeboarding boats that are having a good time out here. So you know, maybe fish some, not real sure, but so far the boat's doing real good. Since the last video I added this air cleaner. Not sure why they put them on here, but I always see them on. I'm assuming to keep water out more than dirt, because not a lot of dirt. And the swim deck jet cover is covered with plywood. Like I said, I didn't want to do, but I did because that's all I had for the weekend. So if it works out well, I might fiberglass over that, or I'll find some aluminum to cover that with. we're headed back from the lake. As you can see, we've had a bit of an incident, and the rearview mirror is no longer functional. So pretty rough day on the water. Everything worked out good, and the boat still seems to be in one piece. And we're gonna make it back to the house, hopefully, unless this mirror gets any worse. As you might have noticed in that clip, the speedometer only showed that we were going up to like 14 miles an hour. The speedometer doesn't really work on this boat because where I put it back here is right here, and there's a rib right in front of it, so I'm assuming it doesn't get a good reading on the water. I didn't really pay attention when I mounted it, so I think I was going faster than 14 based on the RPM. I was probably running 30 or so, 35. But eventually we'll get a fish finder in here, and that should tell us our speed whenever we're moving across the water. All right, made it back from the lake. I got the boat parked in here because it's raining. This is the next day, but everything did pretty good. Found some more damage this morning when I came out here. The fire extinguisher had broken free of its mounts, so I have to fix that. Everything else worked pretty good, but that's going to do it for this video. I know it was a short one, and I've been gone for a couple weeks. I hurt my back, so I didn't do much the last 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next. If you don't let us know, I'll just do whatever I want anyways. So thanks for watching.